What should I do if the insurance company is handling my damaged vehicle, but I still need medical treatment after a crash? Treat the vehicle damage claim and the injury claim as two related but separate tracks. The insurer may move quickly on towing, repairs, rental issues, or a total loss. But your medical claim may take longer, because your treatment, bills, records, and recovery may not be complete yet. In North Carolina, settling the vehicle damage part usually does not end your injury claim unless the paperwork clearly says it is a full settlement of all claims. So before you sign any release, check whether it mentions bodily injury, medical bills, pain and suffering, all claims, or a final release. Keep getting the medical care your providers recommend, and keep your own file with visit summaries, bills, receipts, photos, repair documents, claim numbers, and notes about missed work. Be careful with recorded statements, broad medical authorizations, or any request to settle your injury claim before treatment is finished. You can tell the adjuster you are still treating and still gathering records. Also remember that an open insurance claim does not stop legal deadlines. In many North Carolina injury cases, the deadline can be 3 years, but different rules may apply. The safest approach is to separate the car paperwork from the injury paperwork, document everything, and do not sign away your medical claim before you understand what you are releasing.